I'm Rob from Big Agnes, and I'm here to talk about the Big Six Camp Chair. Designed with deluxe chillin' in mind, the Big Six has a tall back, wide seat, and sits comfortable 20 inches off the ground. Quick and easy to set up with a shock cord pole set, and packable enough for stashing in your truck, trunk, or travel bag for wherever you're going to need it. The Big Six features a fully shock-corded, patented hubless frame design for simple setup and breakdown. The keyed and color-coded frame make assembly easy enough for kids to help. Pre-bent poles create a wider, more stable seat with a smaller footprint for ultimate comfort on the go. The 40-inch back height supports your head and neck for the best camp chair nap you've never had. This deluxe camp chair is made of lightweight nylon Robic polyester ripstop fabric for extra tear strength, paired with high tenacity Robic yarn that is lightweight and 25 to 30% stronger than regular yarn in the same denier. The lightweight aluminum aircraft pull system and waterproof coating on the fabric make this chair super durable and extremely strong. The Big Six weighs 3 pounds trail weight, holds up to 300 pounds, and packs up small for its huge amount of comfort. When you're used to camping in luxury, the Big Six Camp Chair is your jam.
The outdoor recliner from GCI Outdoor is portable relaxation. With its reclining backrest, you decide which of the 3 positions suits you best. At only 9 pounds, the outdoor recliner is lightweight but sturdy and supports up to 250 pounds. The backrest is made of breathable nylon mesh for ventilation. The outdoor recliner features a patent-pending pocket pillow. Simply roll up the carry bag and place it inside the pocket for easy bag storage and/or an instant headrest. The patented tension bar stability system provides comfort and stability. Just push down the pedal to lock and pull up to unlock. Disengage the tension lock and pull up on the armrests to fold the chair quickly and easily. When you're ready to pack up, it slides conveniently into a carry bag for easy transport. Portability and comfort make the outdoor recliner a must-have for camping, fishing, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear. At GCI Outdoor, the word Pico means small. With its patented telescoping frame, the Pico armchair folds down to 1/16 its size, the size of a laptop case. Easy to transport, the Pico armchair weighs just 9 pounds and features a unique carry bag. The carry bag doubles as a chair-back storage caddy for media, a sweater, a beverage, and more. The Pico armchair also features a side storage pocket, a phone pocket, and beverage holder. The roomy 20-inch seat provides maximum comfort, while the powder-coated aluminum and steel frame supports up to 250 pounds. The Pico armchair features nylon mesh on the seat and backrest and 600 denier polyester fabric. With scratch-free nylon-coated feet, the Pico armchair can be used indoors as hideaway seating, but it's ideal for camping, RVs, watching sports, and tailgating. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.
Get low. This iconic camping love seat is designed with a lower base. A relaxed, slightly reclined design allows you to get your fill of chill without towering over the campfire. Built for 2, dogs welcome, the Low Loveseat changes the game of camping comfort. A sturdy, powder-coated steel frame stands up to any campsite shenanigans, while durable fabrics and quilted backrests means comfort that lasts as long as you do, and then some. Adjustable armrests means you'll always find just the right angle for camp chillin'. Of course, we wouldn't want to leave your bevies out in the cold. Each adjustable armrest has an oversized insulated beverage holder, ready to receive everything from your favorite cold one to extra large water bottles and beyond. Use the included carry wrap to haul stuff around the campsite. It even doubles as a dog bed. Not that he'll need it. And when it's time to roll out, it all rolls up in a matter of seconds. The iconic Low Loveseat from Kelty. Let's take this outside.
At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Moonlite, the latest addition to our reclining camp chair collection. Sublimely comfortable, easy to set up, and barely noticeable in your pack, Moonlite is the go-to chair for every adventure, from picnics in the park to backpacking in the mountains. Moonlite's comfort starts with a custom-engineered asymmetrical mesh cut for a seamless single-panel construction that stretches on the bias to accommodate and support a variety of body types. An ultralight and ultra-stable frame built on premium forged aluminum hubs and oversized aluminum poles offers a durable yet refined aesthetic. Well-fitting, high-quality hardware builds confidence, and a strategic mix of round and oval poles offer just the right blend of rigidity and flexibility you need for rock-solid, ultralight support. Toss a neatly packed Moonlite into your beach tote or backpack and take the ultimate in ultralight, portable, reclining comfort anywhere your adventure takes you. An intuitive design with shock cord throughout the frame and easy snap ball and socket connectors makes assembly a breeze, so you can spend more time relaxing. Legs extend out for a wide base and are equipped with 2 types of feet for the ultimate in stability, no matter the terrain. With a lower center of gravity and extended fit range, there's no better feeling than confidently kicking back to relax after a long day on the trail. Grab the custom buckles to activate the unique reclining system for a multi-position sitting experience, allowing you to effortlessly sit up when you need to and lean back when you want to gaze up at the stars while sitting around the campfire. Moonlite's infinity pool-like edge binding is soft and smooth on the skin, and the ball and socket panels at the connection points rotate with your legs to avoid annoying pressure points. In keeping with our commitment to design sustainable products, Moonlite's mesh seat, edge binding, and webbing are made from 100% post-consumer recycled materials. Additionally, the mesh and zinc recliner hardware are Blue Sign certified. Take Moonlite wherever you go, from the backcountry to the beach, and experience what it's like to be on the moon, both in its packed weight and the weightlessness you'll feel as you lean back and relax under the stars. And like all Nemo products, your Moonlite comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last you through years of adventures.